Today's topic is eating healthy inexpensively. Eating healthy is expensive. Well, is it really? That's what I hear people tell me all the time. If you listen to my podcast or watch my videos, you know I frequently talk about taking care of your body and your pocketbook at the same time. Today I'm going to discuss 4 ways you can eat healthy while not spending extra unnecessary money on food. I've been eating healthy for 3 decades, while at the same time I was optimizing my wealth. The reason I include both health and wealth in my life philosophy is because the two go hand in hand. You can't achieve the greatest quality of life and all of your life dreams if you're in poor health. So the daily decisions you make about what foods go into your body matter even if you can't see the immediate results today. Ultimately, you will see the results, and unfortunately, they're not always reversible. Eating healthy just means providing your body with the quality of fuel it needs to perform at optimal level. The latest version of the food pyramid is greatly improved over a couple of decades ago and provides you guidance on the types of foods you eat. Check it out online. Just pay close attention to the additives that you layer on your food. Usually the sauces, the creams, the oils, the sodium, and the sugar make good foods unhealthy. Here are my 4 tips to eat healthy inexpensively. Number 1, frozen vegetables. On my busy schedule, frozen veggies, which are not packed in sodium like canned foods, are not only inexpensive, but they're also healthy and easy to prepare in the microwave. Depending on where you shop, frozen veggies range from 89 cents a bag to $2 per bag. Easy and inexpensive. Number 2, chicken and lean meats do not have to be expensive either. I buy skinless chicken in a bag, ready to cook for around $8 a bag, and fish and shrimp are also available for about the same price. I keep a bag of each in the freezer so I have options. Number 3, 2 to 3 servings of berries and fruits per day can also be purchased fresh at reasonable prices. I typically pick up what is on special that week based on the season of the year. You can also keep frozen bags of fruit in the freezer as a backup. By the way, you do not have to buy organic to eat healthy. That is a total myth. Certainly, organic foods are better for you. They don't have the hormones nor the chemicals. So for sure, when you can buy organic, please do. But I want you to know that you can eat healthy and not have to spend all of the extra money required to buy organic foods. Number 4, drink lots of water. But you don't need a $4. Number 4, drink lots of water. But you don't need a $4 bottle of water. Buy simple, healthy flavorings for a taste if you don't like the taste of plain water. Mios and others are easy to keep on hand. If you drink a glass of water or even a cup of hot tea before every meal, you actually will eat less. Win-win. Bottom line is simply this. I can have a home meal for less than $5. Spending unnecessary money on food is one of the top-ranked wastes of money in my book, Beat the System. You can put more money into your life dreams and eat healthy at the same time. That is truly a win-win. Remember, you are the CEO of your own life. Subscribe below, click the bell for weekly alerts, go to LyndaLeeSmith.com, that's Lynda with a Y, and you can access my other free resources, books, podcasts, blogs. My latest book, Rewiring the Circuitry of Your Brain and Achieving Optimal Health, will be out really soon. And I'll see you again next week.